Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine. Let me introduce Yutong's electric airport bus to you. The AB14E is a 100% electric airport bus, equipped with multiple battery configurations of 176 kWh, 231 kWh, 310 kWh, and 352 kWh. It offers a maximum range of up to 235 kilometers and features a spacious cabin area of 23 square meters, capable of accommodating up to 114 passengers. This electric airport bus combines environmental sustainability with high efficiency. Vehicle exterior. The front wall includes charging port, wiper, front windshield, rear view mirror, glass water tank, cooling water tank, inside the front compartment door. Integrated LED headlights for lighting, hazard warning, fog lights, daytime running lights, aviation obstruction lights. The front wall features a flip design, allowing easy access to inspect and maintain internal wiring, wipers, defrosters, lamps, etc. Charging port, equipped with two 250 amps European standard charging ports, enabling dual charging from 12% to 100% in just 2 hours. The luxury electric rear view mirror with the electric heating and defrosting enhances the visibility and can be selected as the electric rear view mirror. The complete vehicle uses LED lighting with the headlights integrating daytime running lights and turn signal for a sleek and elegant look. Front and rear radars are installed for safety assurance. The left side wall mainly includes the driver's door, rear compartment door, power handle switches, high voltage quick breakers, steering motors, and fire extinguisher bombs. Behind these are the passenger doors, external emergency valves, and position lights. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you'll find the rear windshield, reversing camera, aviation obstruction lights, and tail lights. Next, on the right side wall, it's pretty much the same as the left one, so we'll skip the details there. Let's head into the driver's area. Driver's area. Emergency switch, power cutoff, fire extinguishing bomb, 2 sets of electronic handbrakes, and hazard light-enabled door operation. Instrument buttons. AC control. Vehicle kneel-in function. Passenger area. Step into the passenger area and you'll immediately notice how spacious it feels. It offers 23 square meters of standing room plus 8 seats, with a 2,450 millimeters interior height, ensuring comfortable transport. The passenger area has a wheelchair area, radiator, microphone, safety hammer, and a fire extinguisher. Practical demonstration of internal emergency valves. Locate the emergency valve above the front passenger door. Press the red button to open the transparent cover. Then turn the internal knob 19 degrees clockwise. After about 10 to 15 seconds, all passenger doors can be pushed outward. Practical demonstration of external emergency valves. Locate the emergency valve outside the passenger door. Press the red button to open the emergency valve cover. Rotate the right handle 19 degrees clockwise. After complete exhaust, control rotate the right handle 19 degrees clockwise. Then the passenger door will be automatically opened for escape. Practical demonstration of ramps for the disabled. The driver activates the alarm flasher switch, presses the kneel-in switch to tilt the vehicle, and opens the passenger door. Pull up the step pull ring, triggering the beep alarm in the driver's area, along with the ramp indicator lighting up on the dashboard. Lift and flip the ramp outward. After use, retract the ramp and reset the pull ring. The beep alarm in the driver's area stops. An indicator light on the dashboard goes off. Reset vehicle kneel-in and turn off the warning flasher. That is for Yutong electric airport bus. Got it?